Role of triage nurse. Triage nurse. A triage nurse is a registered nurse positioned in an emergency room or facility responsible for assessing patients and determining their level of need for medical assistance. Criteria for a triage nurse. To evaluate a patient include the type of injury or illness, its severity, symptoms, patient explanation of emergency and vital signs. Triage nurse is typically the first point of clinical contact for patients visiting an emergency room. Responsibilities of a triage nurse. So first, perform patient assessment. It is important to perform a history and a focused physical exam to be sure that there is not any medical risk that would predispose the patient to a medical emergency during the actual procedure. And it is also important to talk to the patient to get a feel for the patient's psychological state. Be sure to assess the following. Can the patient tolerate the stresses of the procedure or modifications to the treatment plan necessary based upon the patient's history and physical? Is pre-medication with anxiolytics required just to get the patient into the office? Reassess patients who are waiting. Patient care over a period of time is a continual process that is not static or linear. The patient needs fluctuate and treatment plans evolve as the patient responds to treatment. The treatment plan may not be continuous, so based upon the condition of the patient, our treatment plan has to be modified. The fluctuations obliges the veterinary technician to constantly reassess the patient, amend technician evaluations as needed, and record all changes in the medical record as they occur. Initiate emergency treatment if necessary. Majority of patients may present with chest pain or unlikely to have an acute coronary syndrome. However, all patients who present with current or recent symptoms consist with a cardiac cause require immediate investigation and treatment. Manage and communicate with patients in waiting room. Effective communication is not only critical to meeting patient needs and providing safe, high quality and patient-centered care, it is necessary to how we manage healthcare delivery. Provide education to patients and families when necessary. Patient and family education helps patients better participate in their care and make informed care decisions. Sort patients into priority groups according to guidelines. Sorting priority groups according to their medical need and the resources available. So we will be categorizing into different color. The critical first important, that is red color, then second priority orange, third yellow, and the fourth one is green, that is the least priority. Transport patients to appropriate treatment areas. Patient transportation is a key component of most hospital care, and in any role in the hospital that brings into direct patient contact will have a part in this vital event. Communicate status of patients to doctors and nurses. Communication among health professionals in the emergency department, especially nurses and physicians, is very important. Effective nurses-physician communication can greatly reduce the number of medical errors and fatalities that occur in the emergency department. Coming to the conclusion, in situations when a patient's condition is life-threatening, triage nurses are tasked with providing immediate medical treatment. In some facilities, they answer patient phone calls and offer medical assistance. Thank you.